Oreo? What you want? Oreo, what you want? Come touch it. Touch. Oreo, touch. What you want? Touch it. Oreo, touch. What you want? Touch it. Touch it. Oreo. Touch it. Touch. Where is it? What you want? What you want, Oreo? What you want? You gotta touch it. If you want me to play, you gotta touch it. Come on. Go touch. Touch. Where is it? Where is it? Oreo, come here. Touch. Where is it? Touch it. Where is it? It's right there. You gonna touch it? Go touch. Yes! There you go! There you go! There you go, Oreo! There you go! Crazy dog. Crazy dog. You don't know what you get out of this. Get it. It would hurt yourself. Get up. Go get it. Spin. Yeah. Go spin.
And his big cousins have an obvious height advantage. Tony, on the other hand, watches and learns.
We're bored. Yep, it's too muddy to be playing outside, so we play inside.
Suddenly, Oscar's all alone, with no one left to complain to but himself. Out of options, Oscar finally quits complaining.
Alright. I had enough.
Not the smoothest landing.
Oreo.
But if you're going to make it in the show world,
What?
you gotta shake it off and move on.
Fan. Let me get the fan. Look, get the fan. Woo! Get the fan. Get the fan. Get it. Get it.
The Ridgeback pups wake up to find something big
Get it.
being built in their backyard.
You can't reach that?